Hey there, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to Jhuxtello iTech, the go-to channel for all things education and technology. Today, we have some exciting news from the education sector in Ghana. The University of Education Winneba, UEW, is gearing up to play a crucial role in shaping the future of private school teachers. So, let's dive into the details. Recently, an agreement was reached between Enoch Kwasi-Gyetua, the leader of the Ghana National Council of Private Schools, GNACOPS, and Professor Hina Kusi, the head of UEW. This collaboration aims to train private school teachers to obtain a teaching license from the National Teaching Council, NTC. The discussion during their meeting covered essential aspects of education, including the initiation of education leadership training for private school owners and administrators. The primary goal is to ensure adherence to regulations and the delivery of quality education. Interestingly, a group of 6 teachers from UEW took the initiative to create a program targeting private school teachers with limited formal education. Executed through the Ghana National Council of Private Schools, this program aligns with the broader vision of enhancing educational standards. The brains behind this program include distinguished individuals from UEW, such as Professor George Kankam, Professor Samuel K. Hayford, Professor Ruby Hansen, Professor Sakina Akwa, Dr. Yera Zakadzi, and Dr. Richard Adai Mununkam. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of the training program. UEW plans to offer a comprehensive 3-semester training for untrained teachers in private schools across Ghana. The curriculum is designed to meet the standards set by the Ministry of Education and the NTC. The training sessions will span 6 weeks each semester, totaling 3 semesters. Trainees will accumulate credits through regular assessments, leading to the coveted diploma in basic education. If you're eager to join the program, meeting the minimum requirements guarantees your acceptance. For those over 25, there's the option to take the mature student's entrance exam for admission. Additionally, a 3-week access course is available for those who don't fall into either category. Successful completion of the diploma in basic education opens up pathways for further academic pursuits. Trainees can opt for the Bachelor of Education in Basic Education, with an additional year of study. Those with existing degrees but lacking employment opportunities can pursue a postgraduate diploma in education through the program. So, whether you're starting your journey in education or looking to enhance your professional qualifications, UEW has got you covered. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting development. That's all for today's update. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational insights. This is Jhuxtello signing off from Jhuxtello iTech. Until next time, keep learning and stay tech savvy.